Okay guys, so on today's drugstore makeup tutorial during quarantine, we are screwed right now, you guys, because guess what? All of our Sephoras, all of our malls are closed, so we're kind of screwed, but also this is a really good opportunity to dive into some drugstore makeup. So I got, shouldn't have done that. Okay, first things first, you guys. I released a whole quarantine glow up hack, quarantine glow up life hack, quarantine life hack glow up. I don't know. I released hacks on how to make sure that you keep your glow up looking on point during quarantine, because nail salons are closed, hair salons are closed, brows, lips, everything, we're screwed, okay? So I wanted to show you guys this hack and how you can make your roots look like this instead of that, okay? So if you guys want to see how I achieved this, go ahead and check out my last video. I will link it below. I think this is also a really cool hack because you can totally do this to save money and get your hair done a little bit less, even if it's not about saving money for you and it's just because you have a busy schedule and don't really have time to get your hair done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side, but I can't reveal the secret in this video. You have to go watch the other one. So I will be right back after I'm done perfecting this hair. See you in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, first off, do you guys remember what those roots looked like? I'm gonna insert a picture right here showing you the before and now. Like, I'm telling you, go watch this video. This hack is insane. First things first, I watched a couple different of my favorite YouTuber makeup beauty gurus, and Miss Carly Bible, we love her, recommended this CoverGirl primer. It is the True Blend Based Business Skin Primer, color neutralizing. I'm just gonna do my skincare routine really quickly and then I'll be right back to finish this makeup tutorial. If you guys are interested in hearing more about my skincare routine and you guys wanna see a video on that, let me know because I would love to help you. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and put this primer, let's see, it's supposed to be color neutralizing, and typically primers are really great for keeping those pores looking minimized. I'll be honest with you guys, I really do not use primers, but Carly Bible, I'm like, if she's using it, we should use it. I'm like, Carly, I'm gonna have to send you a check for that free promo, okay? Now that that primer is on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, again, recommended by Miss Carly Bible, the CoverGirl True Blend M40, and I'm just gonna go ahead, put this on my beauty blender, and luckily I had an actual beauty blender before this quarantine because, girl, the beauty blenders at drugstores, I'm so sorry, they are rough. Okay, let's see. I'm really interested to see if I actually like this foundation because I normally use the YSL. It's like a dewy foundation. I love it, but again, I have to order it online to get it, and I need makeup in order to work like today. Carly talked really well about, or talked really highly on it. We love Miss Carly, so hoping it'll look good. Honestly, not too bad. Hey guys, now that the foundation has been applied, I honestly am not mad about this. Like, it's actually cute. Next thing I'm really excited about trying. No one really recommended this to me, but I used to use this when I was younger, so I was like, let's try it out again. Okay, it's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and it's basically just like a multi-use concealer. The reason why I remember this is because it has that little like sponge on top of it, and I used to love it. So I'm kind of excited to try it out. I got it in a really, really light color, Cool Ivory.
1 hour later.
Okay, might sue Maybelline because of how difficult it is to open up their packaging. Just saying. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's like a twist, and then I think you blot, right? Or no?
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yes! This is so fun. Okay, so it's like a twist, and then you just blot it out. Okay, this is really fun. Oh my god, now I remember why I got this, because it's just like a fun moment. Okay, this color is really light, but I like it really, really light. And you don't want to like push too hard especially under your eyes. So make sure that you get the product out before you go like pushing a ton under your eye, just saying. I just really like how easy it is to apply. Okay, this was kind of a lot of product. I should have used less product, but it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just take my beauty blender and blend it all in. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all out and I will see you once we're done. Okay, you guys, so I actually don't hate this concealer. The only thing is that I applied way too much, so don't be me. Learn from my mistakes. For some reason, when I was looking for new makeup products for you guys at Target, I was really trying to find a really good translucent setting powder. I'm really picky because like, hello, Laura Mercier got put some high standards in place for all the other makeup brands, okay? So I found this NYX, this HD finishing powder. So let's see how this one works out. I'm really excited because setting powder is literally like one of the most important parts in makeup. And I got literally all new products for you guys because I really just wanted to try some new things out and make sure that you guys just get the good products and save your money so you don't have to be spending a nickel and a dime. So you don't have to...
Bitch, what?
That made no sense. So you don't have to spend a lot of money, okay? It's not really sticking. Ooh, yeah, I don't like it. I already hate it. It just doesn't stick. Like, it's not really sticking to the brush as well as like a Laura Mercier would. I literally just snorted it. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, we're not a fan. Okay, so maybe it is sticking. What the hell? This is weird. This is coming out looking weird. I don't know. Is this like cooling? This feels like it's like cooling. Does not say it's supposed to be cooling, but this feels weird. So I don't know, it's getting the job done since I don't have my Laura Mercier, but I would highly just recommend the Laura Mercier, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I'm literally using so much product to get what Laura Mercier does in one dip, you know what I mean? It's just not. At the end of the day, I guarantee you, the money you'd spend throwing away all of the product that you have to stamp on your face with this would be equivalent to just buying the Laura Mercier. And then the other disappointing thing with this product to me is that like, I normally, like I go like this in order to contour my nose, okay? If you haven't used Laura Mercier, then you are losing. Again, not sponsored, but literally like if someone can get me sponsored, hello, holla at your girl. Oh my God, it just is not it, dude. It's not. Can you see that? Okay, now that we're back from that freaking NYX setting powder disaster, I totally forgot to get powdered foundation. So I'm going in with just my Bobbi Brown. It's actually a bronzing powder, but I get so tan that I use it for foundation. I love this bronzing powder. It's in shade Golden Light. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, what I like to do with it is kind of start off in the places that I'd be contouring. I do have to say it is very mattifying. I will give NYX that credit. It is very mattifying. It gets into your skin, but it is just not a translucent powder that I would prefer to buy. Next, I'm going to go and get a brush for my nose. This is literally like a drugstore brush. Like, I need to get better brushes. I'm like, hi Morphe. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go through my nose with this bronzing foundation powder that I use. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this lovely, lovely translucent powder and just go back into where I originally had it. Cute. Does it look like I got a nose job in quarantine? That's the goal. Used the NYX bronzing palette. I actually liked it. I didn't hate it. It was okay. It wasn't as good as like Anastasia, but like for drugstore price, it was actually pretty good. Okay guys, I am just gonna go ahead and speed this up and show you kind of how I contour. So please keep watching. Okay, so now that I've added some basic contouring, I'm gonna go ahead and just take this foundation bronzing powder from Bobbi Brown that I already used, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add it again into the contouring areas and then use it to just blend out my whole face before I go ahead and add on some blush and show you guys how to make your lips bigger, because right now we're in quarantine and we can't go get lip filler, okay? And I'm not saying that you need lip filler in order to, you know, be on point, but I'm just saying like a lot of people do get lip filler and right now they can't. So what can we do to pass the time but also still have big lips? I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so let's go ahead and take our bigger brush and we're just gonna blend it. Okay guys, so next we are gonna go ahead and go in with some blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this like little Tarte blush that I got, like I think from as a Sephora gift or in a PR package, something like that, and just add it to my cheeks. You know what's really interesting is that this translucent powder is just like, it actually gets really deep into your skin. It's just weird. Like the color doesn't, it like develops over time or something. Like it's weirding me out. I don't really know what's going on with this translucent powder. Like in the camera, it looks so white, but in the mirror, it doesn't look white. It's so weird. What the heck? Okay, so I'm just gonna blend together this blush and the rest of my face color. Try to blend this translucent powder a little bit. This makeup is it's so different than what I'm used to, so I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start with our brows. I'm going in with the e.l.f. gel and powder eyebrow kit in shade Dark. Oh, okay, so it comes with like a little brush. I'm not gonna be using the brush. I'm gonna be using I'm sorry, but I need to use a good makeup brush. So this is just I believe a Sephora brush. Before we do so, I'm gonna go ahead and take my brow gel and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush up these brows. Okay guys, so now that my eyebrows are secured with this, again, I use the Great Lash eyebrow gel. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this e.l.f. brow gel. I'm kind of nervous because I'm very picky on the brows. It's honestly not bad. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish outlining my brows and then I'm gonna come back once we add the powder. So I'm really not mad at all about this eyebrow. That really looks honestly pretty good. So again, it's the e.l.f. brow kit. And I used this gel already. Let's go in with the powder. The powder's really light. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. No, the powder is, wait, look at this. Let's swatch the powder. That is so light. Look at my hair. Absolutely not, I'm sorry. So I'm not gonna use that. The liquid, really great, love the liquid, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Conspiracy Theory palette. I'm gonna go in with shade My Rides here, the black at the bottom. Like I need black for my hair. Like my hair is black. Like I can't be going in with a really, really light color. It's just not it. Like, gotta make sure that end is sharp and looking on point, okay? And now that I've kind of shown you guys the process, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this brow off camera and I will be back moving moving on to the next step. See you in 1 sec.
Jesus Christ.
Okay guys, so I'm putting on my second eyelash. I was just gonna kind of show you guys how I put it on. The trick with fake lashes is making sure that the glue is almost dry so it sticks. You never want to put them on right after applying the glue. You want to wait for the glue to dry a little bit.
And if it's not enough, I want to see the stuff the world has got in store. I want to take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, want to catch in my photos.
Okay guys, then once you have your eyelashes attached, you're going to want to go ahead and take some mascara. I just bought this brand new Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. Let's see how we like it. For me, I don't really use mascara to like, I don't know, fan out my lashes. So I pretty much just use it for the coloring, so you can't tell that I have fake lashes on, basically. Wait for the lashes to dry though. This one's not fully dry, so I'm really playing with fire here. We're really on some risky business right now. Okay, and then the last thing that we need to do is grab our, I know this is so expensive, I'm sorry, this is not drugstore, but it's the best, okay? Our Tatcha Mist, and it's just gonna be our setting spray. I kind of want to add a little bit more blush though, because I feel like our blush is not popping the way that I would like it to. So let's go ahead and do that. Where's this other blush? I feel like this blush hits a little bit better. So as I'm showing you guys, like once I'm done doing my makeup, I kind of just like look it over and see like what may need some last finishing touches. Cute. As I said before, I wasn't loving the highlighter, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my Anastasia Glow palette and add just a little bit more highlighter to my cheekbones so we can really make sure she pops. Way better. Do you see how good, like this palette's just worth it. Okay guys, so let me go fix myself up, fix my hair a little bit, and I will show you guys the final look to this drugstore makeup tutorial. See you in 1 sec. Today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I had so much fun for you. Again, if you have not hit that subscribe button and you want to hang out with me more, make sure you do so. Click the bell notification so you can get notified every single time that I upload. And if you want to hang out with me in between uploads, you can always go follow me on Instagram. All of my social media links will be linked after this. Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe. All right, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you give that a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.